Ready? Let's do it. Okay. Nature's Fynd. I got this over at Mariano's. This is cream cheese. Obviously, it's a vegan. It said made with complete vegan protein. And I did a vegan taste test on Nature's Fynd. I think it was different flavored sausages, like breakfast patties. Okay, so I found this, and I was like, I have to give it a go and see how this does compare to my Tofudi's cream cheese. I don't know what kind of cream cheese you guys use. Let me know what is your favorite, but this is always my go-to. So let's give this a go. I want to taste it as is. And I was in a hurry, so I didn't grab a spoon. I grabbed a fork. Don't ask. All right. Is it me? The cream cheese I grew up on was the, what is it called? The Philadelphia one, if I'm not mistaken. It kind of smells like that. Let's give it a taste, and then I'm going to try it on bread. Cheers. Hang on a second. There goes my dog. Let me taste it with bread. Hold on. I don't know. Look at this piece I grabbed. It's not all that serious, but okay. Let's see. Let me taste it with bread. Maybe it's going to taste a little bit more different. Hold on. All right. Ready, set, cheers. Oh, gosh. Let me just do this. So, otherwise, I'm going to go for the bite and my whole face is going to be covered. Let's do it. Is there lemon in this? Because it tastes lemony to me. My husband is home and he's about to make a lot of noise coming in. Fair warning. Cane sugar, mushroom extract. It tastes like, it says contains fungi. Hi, honey. I'm shooting a vegan taste test. I'll be done in 2 seconds. You can put it down. I'll just end up talking when you leave. But thank you. So I'm not really, listen, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to taste it again. But if I have to taste it 3 times or 5 times to figure out if I like it or not, it's most likely I'm not going to like it. But here, I'm going to do it again, okay? Get this done really quick. No, I'm good. I don't know why I'm tasting a hint of lemon behind it. Sir, you were drinking, Semper Fi, you were drinking water really loud. You were really loud when you were drinking your water. I'm sure they heard you. Oh, I'm sorry. That's right, walk away. All right. Anyways, it's a no for me. I'm going to stick with my Tofudi. It is what it is. And I'm going to be honest with you. Tasting this, all of a sudden, it just kind of tasted funny. I'm not sure if it's expired or not. it's expired. I was gonna say, because that's my go-to, and I usually like it, but for some reason that threw me off today. It is expired. It is definitely expired. So there. Otherwise, I usually grab about 3 tubs of those. That's what I make my cheesecakes with. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, God bless, and I will see you next one. Bye. So my husband, I found this brand over at, what's that store? Woodman's. I found it over at Woodman's, and Nature's Fynd. No, I take that back. That's a lie. I found Nature's Fynd. All right, my husband's trying it. He went like this. And he's giving the rest of the bread to the dog, and the dog won't even eat it, just so you know.